Machine training analysis with Python. The objective of this course is for you to learn machine training analysis main concepts from a basic to an expert level while you practice with Standard & Poor's 500 ETF prices using Python programming language as your analysis tool. At the end of this course, you will be able to define target and predictor algorithm features for supervised regression machine learning tasks. Select relevant predictor feature subset through univariate filter methods, deterministic wrapper methods, and embedded methods. Extract predictor features transformations through principal component analysis. Train algorithm through ensemble methods, maximal margin methods, and multi-layer perceptron methods. Test algorithm through scale-dependent metrics. Calculate machine training strategies for algorithms with highest forecasting accuracy. And evaluate machine training strategies performance against buy and hold benchmark using analyze return, analyze standard deviation, analyze Sharpe ratio metrics, and cumulative returns chart. This course is ideal as you're an undergraduate or postgraduate at any knowledge level who wants to learn about machine training analysis using Python programming language. You're a finance professional or academic researcher who wishes to deepen your knowledge in computational finance. You're an experienced investor who desires to research machine training strategies. It's very important to remember that this course is not about get-rich-quick trading systems or magic formulas.